Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Despite a very common misconception, Guyana is located in South America, not Africa. A Harvard study found that employing a highly productive but toxic worker harms a company's bottom line more than hiring several less productive but cooperative employees. Ultra processed foods linked to early death revealed 30-year-long Harvard study. A Danish artist was ordered to return 500,000 kroner to a museum after he submitted two blank canvases as his artwork. Multiple studies have found that an extra inch of height can be worth an extra $1,000 a year in wages, both for men and women. Lava from a volcano can reach 1,250 degrees Celsius. Cockroaches raised in space become quicker, faster, stronger, and tougher than cockroaches on Earth. In South Korea, number of guests at a wedding is so important that fake guest agencies exist. Many lottery winners never collect their rewards. You could circle the earth 1.8 times with the amount of Nutella produced in 1 year. This is what Earth might look like without humans after hundreds of years. The odds of getting a royal flush are exactly 1 in 6,49,740. This is how giraffe sleeps. It sleeps an average of 30 minutes per day and for only 5 minutes a time. Air pollution kills 800 people every hour or 13 every minute, accounting for more than 3 times the amount of people who die from malaria, tuberculosis, and AIDS combined each year. German scholar Max Muller said erasers are made for those who make mistakes. Swami Vivekananda replied erasers are made for those who are willing to correct their mistakes. Naturally formed heart-shaped amethyst found by miners in Uruguay which later sold for over $120,000. Some planes can fly for more than 5 hours after one of their engines goes out. Eating a small amount of chocolate in the morning can actually help your body burn calories and lose weight throughout the day. Share of global smartphone production by region. The original purpose of the coffin was to prevent the dead returning. There is literally no reason for the alphabet to be in the order it is in. A chef's hat is shaped to circulate air around his or her scalp, keeping cool. Scientists in Japan are about to test a tooth regrowth medicine. More than 10 people a year are killed by vending machines. Cats have fewer toes on their back paws. Moringa leaves are full of nutrients which contain more protein than eggs, more iron than spinach, more vitamin A than carrots, and more calcium than milk. In 1896, American taxidermist Carl Achille was attacked by a leopard while on a visit to Africa and killed it with his bare hands by ramming his hand down the leopard's throat and choking it to death. In 2019, an AI author called Beta Writer wrote the book called Lithium-Ion Batteries, which is a machine-generated summary of current research. This is the first machine-generated research book ever. Robin Williams once said, I think the saddest people always try their hard to make people happy because they know what it is like to feel absolutely worthless, and they don't want anyone else to feel like that. Ravens can spot a cheater and will shun one another for being unfair. The birds work together to get equal amounts of food, but if they notice another raven taking more than its fair share, they immediately lose trust and won't cooperate with them in the future. Looking for a new career path? Try using the Occupational Outlook Handbook. It shows the median income in your region, how much education you need, how many jobs there are within your country, as well as the projected growth. You can also use this as a leverage to get a raise. There are libraries in Los Angeles that let kids read to pay off their late fees. Each hour a child spends reading, a country run libraries knocks $5 off their account. In Paris, servers don't just serve, they race. At the Cours des Cafe, over 200 waiters and waitresses speed walk through a 1.2-mile course around City Hall, balancing trays with a croissant, a full water glass, and an empty coffee cup. 8 habits that damage your brain. Staying in the dark too much. Poor sleeping habits. Consuming too much negative news.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down.
Barely moving throughout the day.
Mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're
Consuming too much sugar.
so I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only a day. We got
Blasting your headphones on full volume.
no we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights.
Too much screen time.
Make me feel like this.
Social isolation.
We got a party for a lifetime.
Thanks for watching.